Okay, I'll teach you the easiest way to do a power slide. So simple, you'll cry. First step, you need to roll backwards. Put your weight to the front, up to the heel, to the front, just roll backwards. That was first step. The second step, I think it's the hardest step, but it's the most important. So roll backwards, but with scissor legs, and roll backwards. Also put your weight to the front, to this foot. Okay, if you roll backwards straight, and it's okay, then you can move to the third step. Actually, it's the final step. So you roll backwards with the dominant leg at the front. Put your weight to the leg at the front and try to pick up something and put your leg straight. So you may want to practice it a little bit, but the most important thing is to stay low. Try to pick up something and put your leg at the back straight. Actually, this is it. Maybe someday I'll show you how to do a turn power stop, like something like that, and of course power slide with the jump. But that to the future videos. Anyway, it was a very short video, but try it out and let me know in the comments. Slippery.